Alright, let's get going, What's going on, everybody? Finally got some good weather to actually ride. Finally got some weather to ride, man. It's a beautiful day. We gotta pay some solids though, man, because man, a lot of people lost their lives in the last couple of days, man, with these flash flood warnings here in San Antonio. It's just been bad. We had a really bad flash flood warnings and came out of nowhere, and a lot of places here in San Antonio just didn't look good, man. A lot of people died, got caught up in the flash floods. But it's a happy Shabbat today. It's a beautiful Shabbat today. And we are actually on the way. We are actually on the way to drop the bike off. To get some upgrades over the weekend slash in the week. Bike will probably be down for about a week. The bike might be down for about a week. But we're getting some well-needed upgrades. Don't want to be behind that. And we are actually rocking the new hoodie, and under the new hoodie, it's a zip-up hoodie that we made for here for San Antonio, and we're actually rocking the plasma underneath, Tech 5 plasma underneath it. So still trying to be as safe as possible, even though we're not wearing an armor hoodie. These armor hoodies are going to be coming soon, but it takes a little while to get them developed the way I want them to get them developed. We're not going to be doing like a lot of these other companies that are just buying ready-made armor hoodies off the shelf, slapping a logo on it, nasty, and reselling it. Not doing that. Trying to innovate. So tires warmed up. I should have got some gas, but the bike's gonna be down for a week, so let's get gas when we come back. When I come back to pick it up, shit, might need to go get some gas. Alright, and we're rocking the new fanny pack swag bag. It was good to be back out on two though. Not in a real big rush to get to the shop. I know Lewis likes to open the shop up. He said he'll be there around open it up at 10. With my experience, especially with people on the weekends and people who run their shops in general, they don't necessarily open up their shop like it's a retail. They say 10, I usually think about 10 something, 30 or something. Like, that's what I'd be thinking. Get a little bit of gas in here. Alright, and my darkness bring me sunshine. Trying to test out this swag bag, man. I like it. Definitely makes everything so much easier, man. So much easier. Makes everything much easier, I can tell you that. No, super easy. I usually don't fill up from this side, but I don't care. So I wasn't gonna get gas, but like I said, I was down to one fuel cell, so I was like, it doesn't make sense to take the bike there, and then first thing on my mind as soon as I pick the bike up is to go get gas. There we go. Thirsty girl. Yes, sir. I'm digging the new helmet too, man. I love this KYT helmet. It is the most comfortable freaking, like, It is the most comfortable freaking thing I've ever worn in my life. As far as the helmet goes, it's super comfortable. Oh, they're putting the Zaxby's right here. I didn't realize that. Let's go, baby. All this construction, man. Yeah, a lot of this stuff is underwater. So it looks like we're going 35 all the way to top of one. Everybody cruising today, baby. We got the cruisers out today. Everybody's just chilling. Go ahead, bro. I think he needs to speed up if he's trying to get over. Or he's just riding with his damn thing on. Topper. I probably should have gone it off right there. I think a lot of these exits are closed. A lot of gravel on that part of the road, man. I was trying to go slow. I was hoping that guy wasn't going to be like pressing me. He went straight though. I didn't realize it was right there. Oh shit. I forgot. I didn't realize it. I'm just riding. What's going on, King? Woo! What's going on, boss? I'm just enjoying the ride. I passed up the street. Yeah, I was like, oh damn, I didn't realize it was that close.
Oh man, that's good then.
Woo.
How you been doing?
Not bad, man. Not bad. How about yourself?
Good, man. Just staying busy.
God been blessing the shop, man.
What's that?
God been blessing the shop or what? That's good, man. That's good.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna have to swing by when y'all do the Bible studies, man.
Yeah, definitely.
I see you posting them up, so.
Yeah, it's always fun to have people around, so.
Yeah.
It's a little bit different to fellowship, you know?
It is.
Yeah.
Oh, there goes my. They beat me here. I'm over here just chilling. I'm trying to give y'all a chance to make it over here.
It's
way better than that HJC I had.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, I had that bobblehead HJC for a while.
Which one did you have? You didn't have the R Alpha,
It was
right?
like that I-10, like the standard little I-10 that I had like when I was getting for the, I had it for the Riker, because she was like, you gotta get a freaking full face helmet even on that thing.
Yeah.
And I was just like, I'm good. Like,
Yeah.
I never liked to ride with a helmet, but so I just grabbed that one and I just used it when I grabbed this. But oh my god, this thing compared to that, I'm like, this thing feels so light.
Really? You mind if I grab it?
Yeah, it feels so light even with all the stuff on there.
Dang,
I'm just
that's
like,
not
I need it. So I'm like, now I'm getting into gear a little bit more.
bad. Yeah.
Went and grabbed a plasma because she was like, she saw it and she was like, you need a little bit extra for over here. She was like, it might be a little overkill. She was like, but
hey man,
every little bit helps. So I was like, all right, I'll start wearing this.
Yeah.
Because I like to wear
What about
hoodies.
pants? You know how riding pants
Now
yet?
these, I didn't put on the leathers. I do got some leathers, and I got some summer ones like textiles, but they're too short. So I know.
Look into NBT.
Get some MBTs.
Yeah, NBT is a really good brand. Like
I like jeans.
yeah, so that's my thing too. And I like jeans, but they're padded jeans.
Dude, I really want that race one, that carbon.
Yeah, the NC or the.
I think it's the NC. Oh my god.
So I'm about to order a couple of them.
Okay,
So if you
cause
want one, let me know.
dude, I was like, now I'm getting in the gear, and I'm just like, this shit is gonna. She's gonna be so mad.
Wait till you try on a pista.
See, I heard they're super light. I've never got the chance to even hold one yet. So
I used to have one like years ago, and I went off of it because I'm really picky with helmets, man. Like, especially like my face being round and everything. Like everything hurts like on my cheeks.
yeah, like pads and stuff.
Yeah.
That's why I was just like, this is super comfortable. So
yeah, so those are pretty comfortable. I had the HRC, the R Alpha. That's been my comfortable one, and then the Shoei. I've had those two for the last like 5 years or so. So I was like looking at new helmets, and I was like, I'm really picky.
expensive ass helmet, and you don't have like no other gear.
Yeah.
So that's why I was like, okay.
Yeah.
So I spent a little money.
Like the
got some
helmet is like up to
pants.
snail rating, because snail rating is usually if you hit more than once on the road or you're bouncing around. The snail rating is the rating that shows that it can take the impact.
They take the impact.
Yeah, of multiple hits. DOT is just one hit and then
it's clear.
Yeah. So most of the helmets are DOT, and I was like, well, I want to get something that's snail, but I'm like, dude, that's getting pricey.
It does get pricey, but I mean, when you do hit, you're probably gonna be
bouncing around, especially the speeds we go.
Yeah, you're probably gonna be rolling, and you are gonna be rolling. That's why she said get this thing. She was like, that little airbag might help a little bit with the impact.
Do you need this?
No.
Okay.
It's just a little rear view camera that I had put on there for now.
Oh, I see.
Because I took the mirrors off. She's like, no, you better get a rear view camera. I was like, well, I need to get something a little better, like maybe a Chiji or something.
Yeah.
But
that's the real one. She's looking out for you already.
Yeah. yeah. All right, man. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just give me a call. Yeah, just give me a call.
All right, sounds good, bro.
Appreciate it, man.